My beloved, healing does not always begin with the pain leaving. Sometimes it begins with the strength I place inside you to carry what once crushed you. You have begged for the storm to stop, but you did not see that while the storm raged around you, I was already calming the storm within you. Every moment you thought you were falling apart, heaven was gathering the pieces you could not hold together. You look at yourself and see wounds. I look at you and see a story I am still writing, a story where broken places become sacred spaces. You think you are behind, but my healing does not follow the timing of the world. My healing follows the timing of eternity, and eternity is never late. There are parts of you that hurt so deeply that even you cannot describe them, but I know them. I know the silent pain behind your smile. I know the heaviness you carry when the world believes you are strong. I know the memories that wake you like thunder in the night. Nothing inside you is hidden from my touch. Nothing within you is beyond my restoration. You have wondered, Lord, why does it take so long? Because, my child, I am not only healing what happened to you, I am healing what it taught you to believe about yourself. I am healing the self-doubt planted by people who broke you. I am healing the fear that tells you you're alone. I am healing the lies that whisper you are unworthy of love, peace, or joy. There were moments you asked me, why didn't you stop it? And heaven wept with you. But hear me, I will not allow anything in your life that I cannot use to raise you higher. The wound that made you question your worth will become the testimony that reveals your strength. The pain that nearly drowned you will become the river that carries someone else to safety. Nothing you survived is wasted in my hands. Right now, even as you read this, I am entering the places others never cared to understand. I am touching memories you thought you had to heal from alone. I am restoring dreams you buried because life broke your confidence. I am lifting the weight that has sat on your chest for years. Healing is happening, quietly, deeply, faithfully. Some healing will come suddenly, some healing will come gently, but all healing will come completely. You may not feel different yet, but you are different. The moment you called my name, heaven moved. Angels stood guard, darkness stepped back, and every chain that held your spirit started loosening. So do not fear the days ahead. Every sunrise carries new strength, every breath carries new mercy, and every step carries new purpose. You are not walking toward healing, healing is walking with you. Remember this truth, I am not only the God who heals your body, I am the God who heals your memories, your heart, your identity, and your future. Keep breathing, keep believing, keep holding on to me. Your healing has already begun, and nothing can stop what I have started in you. My child, you think nothing is changing, but healing is happening beneath the surface. I'm restoring places inside you that no one has ever seen, the fears you hid, the tears you swallowed, the memories you carried alone. What feels like silence is actually my hands working gently on your heart. The pain that once defined you is losing its power. The battles that drained you are losing their voice. I am removing the heaviness, layer by layer, until you breathe freely again. You are not forgotten. You are not broken beyond repair. You are being remade with purpose, strength, and peace that will not fade. Stay close to me. Your healing is already in motion.